Welcome to the Minded Academy. Take a moment for yourself. This is a short meditation to help clear your mind, find stillness, and reset for the day ahead. You don't have to change anything right now. Just be here. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, a deep, steady breath in and a long, easy breath out. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth. There's nothing you need to do right now. Simply breathe. Now imagine your mind like a wide open sky. Thoughts may drift through like clouds. Some are heavy, some are light, but none of them stay forever. Watch your thoughts drift by. No need to grab them. No need to chase them. If a worry appears, notice it gently and imagine it dissolving into the blue sky above. Each breath you take clears a little more space. Each exhale softens the clutter. You are not your thoughts. You are the quiet sky that holds them. Breathe into that space. Feel it widen and lighten with every breath. As we end this meditation, take a moment to set a soft intention for yourself. Today I choose clarity. Today I carry calm with me. Today I trust the space within. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, stretch if you need to, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this moment with me. You are always just one breath away from peace. Revisit this video for calm and peace on a daily basis. And join the Minded Academy for more videos.